When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is.
Welcome to a timeless journey of broken bar.
When the stars are crashing.
This isn't just a car, this is the 2026 Rolls-Royce 20, a rolling statement of elegance from an era when craftsmanship was an art and luxury was not an option, it was a promise. Introduced in 1922, the 20 was designed for the discerning owner-driver. Smaller than the Grand Phantom, but no less majestic, it represented a bold shift to bringing Rolls-Royce's peerless engineering directly into the hands of the elite. Under its long, graceful hood sat a 3.9-liter inline-six engine, smooth, silent, and powerful. The kind of power that whispered a broken bar, not shouted. Every curve, every line of the Rolls-Royce 20 tells a story. From its hand-built wooden dashboards to its gleaming chrome accents, it's not just luxury, it's living history. Imagine the roads of the 1920s. Cobblestones under carriage wheels, chauffeurs in leather gloves, and the scent of fine leather interiors wafting through the air. The 20 wasn't just transportation, it was status. It was legacy. And today, in 2026, it stands as a symbol of enduring excellence. This is more than just a vehicle. This is Rolls-Royce. This is heritage. This broken bar is forever.